Welcome to today's episode of Medical Device Global Market Access by Pure Global. We're examining crucial updates from the UK's Medicines and Healthcare Products Regulatory Agency, the MHRA guidance on using real-world data in clinical studies for regulatory decisions, updated May 20th, 2025. This MHRA guidance series assists sponsors planning clinical research using real-world data, or RWD. Real-world data encompasses data on patient health or healthcare delivery collected outside traditional clinical studies from sources like electronic health records, patient registries, administrative data, patient-reported outcomes, and wearables. Analyzed RWD produces real-world evidence, or RWE. The guidelines aim to help design studies providing robust evidence for regulatory decisions, applicable globally, with specific advice for UK studies. While RWD is established for post-approval monitoring, its role in pre-approval safety and efficacy demonstration is expanding. This offers significant potential: faster, less costly development programs, quicker approvals, and making previously unfeasible studies viable. RWE might also better reflect community-wide treatment effects. However, the MHRA stresses that these benefits hinge on data quality. Poor data means unreliable decisions. Core principles like randomization and blinding remain critical. The MHRA, experienced with RWD through UK primary care data like CPRD, supports these advancements. Data quality is paramount. Sponsors must understand source data accuracy, validity, reliability, and provenance. Key pre-protocol considerations include: is the database population suitable in size, coverage, and representativeness? Use statistical power calculations. Are baseline characteristics regularly measured and current? Will the database capture interventions, outcomes, and variables with sufficient detail, consistency, and without bias? An observational feasibility study is recommended. How will changes in data collection or coding systems be managed? How will interoperability issues between health systems be addressed? Explore common data models. Is the data availability timely for study needs, especially for adverse event monitoring? Are data linkage methods validated and reliable? What privacy, security policies, and data use restrictions apply? What quality checks are done by the data controller, and what study-specific checks are needed? Define responsibilities for data collection, maintenance, and use. Sponsors must detail and validate tools and methods for data selection, extraction, transfer, and handling in the protocol, ensuring data integrity. Digital health technologies like sensors and wearables can gather RWD. Both the device and any tools, like questionnaires, must be validated. General principles always apply. Ensure data quality assurance and robust data management oversight. Detail and validate data quality processes in the study protocol. Conduct checks for accurate data reporting, interpretation, and verification. MHRA's good clinical practice inspections can be system-based or study-specific. For RWD studies, inspectors focus on randomization, data management, safety reporting, sponsor oversight, and data integrity processes. The MHRA encourages seeking scientific advice for specific proposals beyond the published guidance. If your company needs help with global market access, including leveraging real-world data for regulatory submissions, Pure Global is here to assist. Thanks for listening, and we'll see you next time.